Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that promise to elevate our beauty routines. Today, we're looking at the Nioxin Hair Fall Defense Kit Duo Sets, a shampoo and intensive daily leave-in treatment designed for thinning hair. With its blend of potent ingredients like niacinamide, caffeine, and lauric acid, this duo promises to stimulate hair follicles, nourish from the root, and improve hair resistance. But does it really deliver on those promises? Let's find out. The Nioxin Hair Fall Defense Kit includes two products, the shampoo and the leave-in treatment. The shampoo is formulated with a combination of niacinamide, caffeine, lauric acid, and SANDALORE. These ingredients work together to stimulate the scalp, promote blood circulation, and fortify hair strands, which can potentially reduce hair fall over time. The leave-in treatment serves as a daily defense to further nourish the scalp, helping to restore hair's strength and making it feel fuller and thicker. I've been using this duo for a few weeks now, and here's what I've noticed. The shampoo has a nice, light texture that doesn't feel heavy or too stripping on the scalp. It lathers up beautifully, and you can feel that slight tingle from the caffeine and niacinamide, a sign that it's doing something to stimulate circulation. After washing, my hair feels clean but not dry, and there's no harsh scent lingering. Now let's talk about the leave-in treatment. This is the part I was most curious about because it's meant to be applied daily without rinsing. The product has a light consistency, and it absorbs easily into the scalp. I love that it doesn't leave my hair feeling greasy or weighed down, which is often a concern with leave-in treatments. After applying it, my scalp feels more nourished and conditioned, and I did notice a slight thickening effect on the strands. In terms of performance, I haven't noticed drastic changes in hair thickness, but after continued use, my hair definitely feels stronger and the fall seems to be reduced. It's not a miracle overnight transformation, but the gradual improvement is promising. The product's formulation is impressive. It's free of parabens, sulfates, and colorants, making it a great option for those with sensitive scalps or anyone looking for cleaner beauty products. And considering the high-quality ingredients used, the price point seems reasonable. That said, it may not be the most budget-friendly option out there, but it does come from a brand with a good reputation in the hair care space, which speaks to its overall quality. When comparing it to other similar products on the market, Nioxin's formulation stands out due to its specific targeting of thinning hair and its use of ingredients like SANDALORE, which is known to support hair growth and reduce hair shedding. Other products might focus more on just moisturizing or styling, but this one has a more comprehensive approach to hair health. If you're in the market for alternatives, there are certainly more affordable options like OGX's Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo, or even Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, which also promotes thicker hair. While they might not have the exact same blend of active ingredients, they can still offer great benefits for thinning hair at a lower cost. In terms of build quality, both the shampoo and leave-in treatment are well packaged in sturdy, easy-to-use bottles. The shampoo dispenser is a little basic, but it works fine, and the leave-in treatment comes in a practical pump bottle that gives you good control over the amount used. As for longevity, I've been using the kit daily for several weeks, and it seems like it'll last a while since you don't need much of either product to get the full benefits. My hair definitely feels stronger, and I expect continued improvements if I keep using it consistently. Would I recommend the Nioxin Hair Fall Defense Kit? If you're dealing with thinning hair and want a treatment that addresses the issue without overloading your hair with heavy chemicals, this kit is definitely worth trying. It provides steady results over time, but don't expect an instant fix. This is a gradual yet effective solution. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so others can discover our honest reviews. Your support means so much, and it helps us continue making content like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic today. You can find the link to purchase the Nioxin Hair Fall Defense Kit in the description box below. Have you tried this product or have any experiences with thinning hair solutions? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.